Introducing Biocamp Pro, the ultimate app designed specifically for biochemistry students. Imagine having a personalized study companion that not only supports your learning, but enhances it with top-notch resources and features. This app has been meticulously crafted to meet the diverse needs of students, making complex biochemical concepts accessible and engaging. With an interface that is both user-friendly and intuitive, navigating through various topics becomes less daunting and much more enjoyable. The most exciting aspect? The first 5,000 downloads are completely free. This is your chance to join the Biocamp Pro community without any cost, allowing you to explore its powerful features right away. Picture yourself effortlessly accessing that can sharpen your understanding and transform your study sessions into productive experiences. The app is a goldmine of information, regularly updated with the latest content, to keep you informed on cutting-edge discoveries in the field of biochemistry. As having access to books worth RC1 lakh, this incredible feature provides you with an expansive library of reference materials that can elevate your learning and boost your grades. Accompanying these resources are meticulously curated study notes, tailored to help you grasp difficult concepts quickly. Visual diagrams, complex biochemical pathways will become second nature. But the benefits don't stop there. By downloading Biocamp Pro now, you step into a world where your academic success is prioritized. Engage with interactive quizzes, and feedback loops that not only reinforce learning through active participation. Plus, your engagement will be rewarded. Just rate us 5 stars on Google Play, and you'll unlock lifetime free access to all premium features. Your positive feedback fuels our commitment to excellence and innovation, ensuring we continually evolve to support your educational journey. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your studies. With Biocamp Pro, immerse yourself in the expansive world of biochemistry and watch your academic performance soar. Download now, harness the power of knowledge at no cost, and take the first step towards mastering biochemistry like never before. Your future in science is bright. Let Biocamp Pro light the way.